happy to come to my class, right?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Rajat, I'll just try one more time. 1 minute.
Hmm.
Very good, Vedika. Very good. Good job. You're doing all the homeworks. I'm observing that. Meet, sit straight, little.
Right.
Yeah, this is like easy class, but still you should not like sleep and listen, right? Hello?
ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ
ಹೌದಾ? ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ
ನೀತು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಐ ವುಡ್ ಸೆಂಡ್
ಯಾ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ
ನೀವು ಏನಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಾವು ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ
ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ
ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಷ್ಟ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತು ಏನ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ದಟ್ ಇರ್ತೀರಿ
ಹ್ಮ್
ಓಕೆ
Actually, this is recording already. So we will start today's topic, okay? It is magic squares. Okay, do you all want to learn? You know it already? You learned it already from your sister class? Okay, very good. But still, you should try to solve it, okay? So I will teach you magic squares. 1 minute. We will end we'll try to end the class soon, okay? Soon after the topic, I'll end the class and I'll give the homework. You should do it today. Today, one day, like that we will do. Because Arush is already, what ma'am is going to teach? Yes. Arush, for you only, I'm making it very, very simple. You're not, you don't, you used to not like, right? But before, now you like it or not? Math.
Ma'am, I like it.
Yeah. Okay. So today's new topic only we will start. Afterwards, we will go for base 300 and all. This is a different type of topic. So I want you to experience that topic. Okay. So that's the reason I'm starting magic squares for you. Okay. Yeah. Uh, So 3 by 3 square box you just draw, okay? 3 by 3 square box. Three by 3. Means it should have 3 rows and 3 columns. Draw it, everybody. Done already? Very good. Meet. Vedika, after you come back to home, just on your camera, ma. Yeah. So, starting, no, actually, we are going to develop the magic square by ourselves by following some steps. So that the row, when you add the rows, okay, all the rows and all the columns. What is a column? This is a column. This is a column which is vertical. Okay, that is called as column, right?
Yes.
Column, everybody know. Which is vertical, that is called as column. Which is horizontal, that is called as row. Yeah, very clear. Like very small concept, but it should be clear, right?
Ma'am, it comes to my computer classes.
Uh-huh.
In what 2016?
Yeah. So you know computer you learn computer, so you know what is row, what is column, all those things, right? Yeah, very good. Now, what happened? Yeah. Hmm. 1 second. Hmm. Magic square. Right. So first we have some steps. First, okay. Okay, tell me which is south, which is east, which is north. So this is the direction if I'm drawing. Where will be my north? Arush. Where will be the north?
Ma'am, this side.
North will be always up. So it
Up, ma'am.
yeah, north. South here, Pragati, south.
Down,
Yes,
ma'am.
South is here. Okay.
Yes.
Where is east?
Ma'am, here, ma'am.
Right side,
Right
right?
side, ma'am.
Okay. Whatever I'm facing, no, my right side will be my east, right? So your right side will be your east. So east, west. So you know this direction. So if I say southeast, it should be here in between, right? Southeast is in between. This is southeast. Everybody got this map?
Ma'am, I know about it, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. So everybody got the map directions, right? Now I will give some steps, note down those steps, and then we will do the magic square. We will form the magic square. Okay. So my first step is put 1 in the center square of the last column. Put 1 in the center square of the last column. Right. So put 1, this is the last column. This is column 1, column 2, column 3. So center means here it will be, right? Put 1 in the center square of the last column. So I'll just put 1 here. 1 means starting number. It could be, you can start from 10 also. You can start from any number, 100 also. So my starting number, I'm taking 1. For your understanding, just I'm taking 1 as the starting number and I'm putting it in the center square of the last column. Clear, everybody? Yeah. Now, second one, go to southeast. Southeast of this will be here. Right? Go to southeast. Go to southeast. Right? So, here southeast, I cannot put the number here. So, I'll scroll to the left of it and put the number 2 here. Understood? Everybody? See,
Yes, ma'am.
southeast, can I put the number here? No, right? So if I can't put the number, I have to traverse left. Okay, if it is down, I have to traverse up, right? That will become the next number, right? So that's why I'm doing that. If you circle it, that will become the next number, southeast. So 2. Again, if the southeast is full, again go to the southeast only, right? Go to the southeast only. Here also I cannot put my number. So go up like this. Fold. When you fold it, the upper number, the upper box will come down, right? So there you should put. Now go to southeast again. Whether I can put any number in the southeast, already 1 is there. So I cannot put any number in the southeast. So next step is go to, if southeast is full. Here southeast is full, okay? If southeast is full, then go to west. Where is my west? Left side, right? Correct. Here, see here. Southeast is full. So I have to go to west. 4. Everybody is getting? Understood? Yeah. Now, again go to southeast. 5. Again go to southeast. I cannot go to southeast here, right? So west. 7. Again southeast here. So I cannot put the number here. So I should put it up, right? Again southeast. I cannot put the number here, so 9 here. Understood everybody? Right? So after the last square, again you should go to west. Every time we are going to the west. If last square, this is the last square, right? Here I cannot go further. So I went west 7, right? After the last square, go to west. Did everyone understood? Should I repeat it again?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll repeat it again, okay? See here. First, what I did, I put 1 in the center square of the last column. That is third column, 1. And then I should go to southeast. Southeast, I cannot put the number here. So go to the left, 2. Again, go to southeast. I cannot put the number here. So up, 3. Okay, here southeast again, but already it is full. So I will go to west. Again, southeast, southeast. After the last column, last box, we should go to west, 7. Right? After 7, southeast again. Here I cannot put. So go up, 8. Again, southeast. I cannot put it here. So 9 here. Did you all understood how I did? Now, we only developed this magic square. Just I want you to add.
Can you try it one more?
Yeah. Arush, Meet and Pragati, Vedika. Add all these numbers. 4 plus 3 plus 8. How much? Tell me 4 plus 3 plus
15.
Arush. 4 plus 3? 7 plus 8?
Ma'am, total is 15.
Yeah. 1 minute.
15.
Yeah. 7 plus 8 is 15. Right? And 9 plus 5, how much, Arush?
14.
14 plus 1?
15.
15. Pragati. 2 plus 7?
9.
9 plus 6?
15.
See, isn't it magic? All the sums are 15 only, right? All the row sums are, these are all row sums. Sum of the rows, and it is 15 only. Is it simple? Is it magic? I mean, there is a logic here, but is it all same now? 15, 15, 15? Right?
Yes.
Now here also we will check. Arush, 4 plus 9?
4 plus 9 is 13.
13. 13 plus 2?
13 plus 2, 15.
Again 15 I got. Pragati, 3 plus 5?
3 plus 8.
8 plus 7?
15.
Very good. Yeah. Next, Meet. 8 plus 1?
9.
9 plus 6?
15.
Yeah, like this quick, you should tell me the answers. 8 plus 6 is always 14. 9 plus 6 is always 15. Like that. Okay. Whenever you add the numbers, what number will be the result that should come? At least single digit numbers, that should come in mind very quickly. Right? Arush, on your camera. Arush. Yeah. Did you understand, Arush? Sit in one place.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Did you understand it?
Yes.
Is there a magic logic?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now what you do is, Vedika, did you understand, ma? Yeah. Let her come back to home. So what you will do is, everybody practice now. You understood it, right? Everybody. So practice magic square. Okay. Develop a magic square starting from number 5. Okay. This is your this is your practice now. Develop a 3 by 3 magic square. 3 by 3 magic square. Starting number should be starting number 5. Everybody do it and tell me whether you are able to do it or not. Vedika, did you understand, ma?
Oh, ma'am.
Okay, I'll tell you what I taught just now. No, I'll tell you all do this. Okay, others don't see the before magic square. You develop it again. Okay, everybody. Okay, So first, you have to follow these steps. So put 1 in the center square of the that is last row, last column. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This is my last column. I have put 1 in the center. Vedika, on your camera. If you are at home right now, Ma, Vedika. Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. Note down these steps first. Note down these steps. Again, I'll teach you. Because already if it is there, you'll not understand. Again, I'll draw and teach you. Note down the steps first. Put 1 in the center square of the last column. Go to southeast. If southeast is full, go to west. After the last square, go to west. Yeah. Have you noted down the steps?
No, ma'am, I'm noting down. Ma'am, I noted the steps.
Yeah, you have noted these 4 steps, right? See,
Yes, ma'am.
again I'll tell you how to see 3 by 3 square. We are
Yes,
drawing 3 by 3 first, okay? Odd number it should be. So 3
ma'am.
by 3. So first step, okay, you understand the directions, right? Always
Yes,
above will be north, opposite of this will be south, down, and right side will be east, and here west.
ma'am.
Left
Yes.
side will be always west. Okay. So if I'm saying my right side will be east, my left side will be west. This is my west direction. This is east direction. And this 1 minute means so up will be that is above. Above will be north and below will be south. So these directions you know it, right? Clear with the directions, Vedika? You can on your unmute yourself all the time so that I'm teaching for you only now. Others have done that. Okay. Yeah. Did you understand it, Vedika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So what we will do is first, this is my last column, right? This is my last column. Center square of the last column, put the first number 1, right?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
then go to southeast. Southeast is here. I cannot put a number here. So just slide to left. So it is 2 here. Hmm? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, how did the 2 number
Hmm.
2 came?
See here, I cannot put a number here, right? I'm putting the 1, 2, 3 numbers like this. Okay,
Yes.
southeast is here. I cannot put a number here. After this, which box will come? Here 2 only, no?
Yes, ma'am.
There is nothing here. After that, if you fold it, this side only will come, right? 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Now check southeast. This will be my southeast. Can I put the number here? If you fold it, here only we should put the next number, right? Now southeast is full. Then go to west, I said. This is 4 here. Huh? Here
Hmm.
southeast is full. This is my
Yeah.
southeast. What
Yes,
is
ma'am.
southeast? You know it, right? Yeah. This is east, this is south. In between that will be southeast. So 3, 4. Again go to southeast. 5. Southeast. 6. After the last box, I should go to west. 7. Again southeast. Okay, here I cannot put the number. Fold it. So it will be above here.
And
8.
here 8
Yeah.
and 9.
Southeast here. Yeah. Southeast here and it will be 9 here. Got it? When you fold it, I should put the number here.
Yeah.
Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Everybody did the magic square starting. Okay. Same thing you repeat. Okay. Magic square. The starting number should be 5. You yourself do. Don't see this magic square. Once again do it. Right?
Same, ma'am.
The starting number should be 5. Yeah. Now Meet, tell me.
Ma'am, I over.
Very good, Meet. Good job. Pragati, did you complete? Starting number 5?
Not understand, ma'am.
Yeah. Same.
I am not understanding, ma'am.
Huh?
I am also not understanding how to do this.
Okay. Again I'll tell. Okay. So just we are drawing the 3 by 3 magic square. Okay. And see here. Arush, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is my last column. Vedika and Pragati, please listen here. Is this
Yes.
my last column? What is
Yes, ma'am.
column? Column means vertical. Rows means
Vertical.
horizontal. Okay. This is
Yes.
my last column. Center square, I should put my number 1. First
1.
starting number. Okay.
Yes.
And then here, go to southeast. Southeast means here. This is my southeast. Okay.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
cannot put a number here. So fold it and this side the number will come. 2.
Yes, ma'am.
And then again go to southeast. Okay. I cannot put a number here. Fold it, then the number will come here. Right? Again go to southeast. Here it is full. So I should go to west, left side. 4.
4.
Again go to southeast. 5. Again go to southeast. 6. After the last box, I cannot put any number here. Go to west. 7. Again go to
8.
southeast. Then I cannot put a number here. Fold it and here the number will come 8. Again go to southeast. Again the number will be here 9. Understood? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Should I repeat it again? Pragati, Arush, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Arush, did you understand? Arush, I'm not able to see you at all.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, I didn't understood, ma'am.
Okay, I'll tell you again. Okay. See, after doing this magic square, when you add all the numbers, okay, you're getting the same number. That is the beauty of this pattern. 4 plus 3?
Yes, ma'am.
4 plus 3, how much?
7, ma'am.
7 plus 8?
15.
So 15 I got here. And 9 plus 5?
9 plus 5. 14.
14 plus 1?
15.
2 plus 7?
9.
9 plus 6?
15.
Yeah. Everywhere, all the rows sum I'm getting 15 only?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that is the magic of this. And there is a logic here. Right?
Yes.
And 4 plus 9?
4 plus 13.
1 second. Yeah. So do all the sums here and tell me. 4 plus this sum, this column sum. And tell me what are the numbers, Vedika.
Means, ma'am?
Sum of this. 4 plus 9 plus 2. Column. It is called as column sum.
Okay.
Okay, this column sum, like that. Sum here, 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 here. Arush and Meet, have you completed the starting number 5 thing? Arush.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now you do 5 by 5. 5 by 5 magic square.
Ma'am, all becomes 15, ma'am.
Yeah, all are 15. There is a magic, right? All are 15. Row sum and column sum. All are 15, right?
Hmm.
Yeah. Got it? That's the reason we are developing this. I want you to do 5 by 5. Arush and Meet. You have completed 3 by 3, no? Do 5 by 5. Once again, I'm explaining Vedika. Please listen here. There are some steps and we are following those steps. That's it. Okay. And we are developing the magic square. Right? So, see here. First, where I should put my starting number, that is the last column, center square. This is the last column.
Yes, ma'am.
Center
And
square is this.
yes, ma'am.
So can I put 1 there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Then I should go to southeast here.
And the number at the first row, ma'am. And last.
Because when I fold this, here it will come. So 2. Right? Okay. Again, I should go to southeast. I cannot put the number here. When I fold it, the number will be here. Up to here, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, I'm going to southeast. Here I can already it is full. Means my according to my step, I should go to west. 4.
Next. And 4.
Right. Again, southeast. 5. Southeast. 6. After here, I cannot go further. This is the last square. So I should go to west. 7. Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, here southeast. I cannot put the number here. So up. 8.
8 and 9, ma'am.
Yeah. Again, southeast. I cannot put the number here. So fold it and put the number here.
These are the same. These will be the same, no, ma'am, for everything.
Yeah, means it will be like 5 by 5 also you should develop your own matrix. But these are the steps. It will be common. Steps are common. Did you understand it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
According to steps only I have done. Okay? Did you understand it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Pragati, on your camera. Did you understand it, Pragati?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, starting number 5 you take and develop a magic square like this.
Ma'am,
3 by
I
3
also.
only. Huh?
I also, ma'am.
Yeah, you also. Arush and Meet already
Like
they have
this,
done.
ma'am, like this, these only numbers will be at the same boxes, ma'am.
Yeah, but starting number is 5.
Means, ma'am?
Okay, 1 you put no. There you should start with 5.
Okay.
Okay, 3 by 3 only. Starting number, just put it as 5. That's it. Arush and Meet, how much you got the row sum and column sum when you put 5? 5 as the starting number?
Ma'am, 5, ma'am.
Uh, One second, I'll just be back. You finish this, okay?
Ma'am, 27, ma'am.
Okay, we will check that, okay? Arush, you also got 27?
I done, ma'am. Ma'am, that
Calculate the row sum and column sum, Vedika.
5 by 5 is not coming, ma'am.
I'll teach you. Vedika, calculate the row sum and column sum.
Yes, ma'am.
Arush, what did you get the column sum and row sum in when you take the starting number 5?
I got 50.
50. Okay, I'll check. So starting number 5 we will do. Meet, Arush, Vedika, Pragati. Okay, tell me. 5, where should I put? The
At the
last column starting number here, right? Center.
Yes,
So here I cannot put. So go here, 6. Again, I cannot put here. Southeast. Go to southeast. I cannot put here. So go up. 7. It is full. So go to west. Again, southeast. 9. Southeast. 10. This is the last box. So I cannot put here. So go to west. 11. Right? Again here. Southeast. Okay, I cannot put the number here. So up. 12. Again here.
And
I cannot
13.
put the number here. So up here. Everybody understood the logic?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
don't see 1, 2, 3 and do here. You do yourself this one. Okay. So 8 plus 7, how much, Arush? Did you get like this only, Arush?
Yes, ma'am.
Then 50, how will you get the sum? Tell me. 8 plus 7?
7 is equal to 15.
15. 15 plus 12? Shall I make it easy in the mind how to calculate? 15
Ma'am,
plus 12.
27, ma'am.
Yeah, 1 second. Arush, okay? 15 plus 12 is there. 15 plus 10 you do first. 25. 25 plus 2, 27. Understood, Arush, how to do? Arush.
Yes, ma'am, I understood.
Yeah. Why you did not do? You said 50. You did not get the box like this, magic box? Yeah. Okay. Meet 13 plus 9. Meet on 22 plus 5.
27.
Yeah. So we got same both. Vedika 6 plus 11.
17, ma'am.
17 plus 10.
27.
Yeah. Good. Next. Pragati 8 plus 13.
8 plus 13. 21.
21. 21 plus 6. 1 plus 6 is 7, right? So 21 plus 6 will be 27. Huh? You should be quick. Okay, everybody. Meet 7 plus 9.
16.
16 plus 11.
27.
Yeah. 12 plus 5. Arush.
12 plus 5. 12 plus
16. 7.
ma'am, 17.
17. 17 plus 10.
17 plus 10. 27.
So did you understand?
Yes.
Yeah. Is it simple or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Now 5 by 5. Okay. 5 by 5 we will develop. 5 by 5 magic square. Everybody listen here carefully how to develop a 5 by 5 magic square and see. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So 5 rows, 5 columns will be there, right? So draw the square first. One, draw the 5 by 5 matrix like the square, like this, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. According to the steps, where should my first number should come? Pragati, on your like unmute yourself and tell me where should the number 1 should come? Okay. This is my first column, second column, third, fourth, fifth. Here last column is fifth. Center square means here,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Everybody understood how I put the 1 number?
Yes, ma'am.
Now go to southeast. Southeast means here. I cannot
First.
put a number here. So I have to come here and put 2.
2.
Again southeast, 3. Again southeast. Okay. Southeast. So again, I cannot put a number here. So
Here,
come
ma'am.
up 4.
Up.
So southeast 5. And here southeast is full. So go to west 6, 7. Southeast. Southeast 8. Again southeast. Okay. I cannot put a number here. So come here and put 9. Okay. Southeast of this is this. So again, I cannot put a number here. Come up and put here 10. Right? Now southeast is full. So go to west 11. Okay. Now again southeast. Southeast. Sorry, southeast. 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 After the last square, I cannot put the number here. So go to west. Again southeast. Southeast. So again, I cannot put a number here. So go up 17. Again, southeast of this is this. I cannot put a number here. So go here 18. Southeast. Southeast. Okay, southeast is full. So go to west 21. Southeast. Right? Next, again southeast. I cannot put a number here. So go up 23. Southeast. Southeast. I cannot put a number here, so come here and put the last number. Did you all understood?
Yes,
Same
ma'am.
steps I followed. As I followed for the 3 by 3, same steps I have followed. Did you all understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now calculate the sum, everybody. Yeah. First,
11.
Meet. 11 plus 10.
Ma'am, 21.
21 plus 4.
21, 20,
25.
25, ma'am.
25. 25 plus 23.
28, ma'am.
28.
48.
48.
48, right? 25 plus 23 is 48.
20.
48. 48. 48 plus 17.
17, ma'am.
17.
48.
15.
14, ma'am. 40.
64, ma'am.
48 plus 17.
65.
65 is the correct answer. Right? Yeah. Next, Arush. 18 plus 20, 12.
40.
Arush, 18 plus 12.
30 plus 6. 36.
30.
30
Yes.
plus 6.
36.
36 plus 5. Only Arush will tell, okay? Others don't tell. 36 plus 5.
41.
41 plus 24.
64.
And what?
41 plus 24.
65.
65, right? So same answer you are getting. It is correct, right? Vedika, 25 plus 19.
25 plus 19.
44. 44.
44.
44, good. 44 plus 13.
44.
57.
57.
57 plus 7.
64.
7.
64.
84.
64 plus 1.
65.
65.
Yeah, very good. So you understood, right? How to develop the magic
Yes,
square.
ma'am.
Yeah. Next, Pragati, 2 plus 21.
23.
23 plus 20.
22. 18. 21 plus 21.
41.
23 plus 20. 23 plus 20 will be how much?
43.
43. 43 plus 14.
57.
Good job. 57 plus 8.
65.
Yeah, like this, you should tell it quickly, right? Because we know 7 plus 8 is 15. Then add with this. So 65, like this. Okay. And Meet, 9 plus 3.
12.
12 plus 22.
12 plus 22, ma'am. 34.
34 plus 16.
34. 50.
Hmm?
50, ma'am.
50. 50 plus 15.
Ma'am, 65.
Good job. Good job. Very good. Yeah, Vedika, tell me what's your doubt?
Ma'am, I did. Ma'am, I counted all the numbers like row and column, ma'am. All the numbers have 65 only, ma'am.
Yeah, correct. So it is correct. Our magic square is correct. And there is a magic and logic, right? Yeah.
Yes.
So all the columns also you calculate, everybody. So sum of all the columns. Arush, you will also do. Sum. And tell me whether it is 65, whether you are getting any other number or only 65. You will do. I'm writing directly, but you people will do the sum and tell me. And after this, okay, you can start the same magic square. Starting number should be 5.
Same,
Okay.
ma'am.
Starting number is 5. 5 by 5 square magic square. Starting number is 5. Okay, if you can do now, fine. Otherwise, you all will take it as homework. First, have you all completed this, Arush? Whether all the sums you are getting 65?
Yes, ma'am.
I wrote, that's why you will say yes. Or did you get it?
Yes, ma'am. I did get it.
Okay. Vedika did it. Pragati, did you do it? Pragati is doing? Okay, let's wait for her. The homework is develop a magic square. Develop a
Ma'am, is it 9 by 9, ma'am?
5 by 5 only. 5 by 5 magic square with the starting number 5. Okay. Pragati, done? All the sums?
I'm doing, ma'am.
Yeah, do it and let me know. Then we can end the class and this is your homework. Develop a 5 by 5 magic square with it will take 10 minutes, finish it and then you can relax. Okay, you can send me and relax. So develop a 5 by 5 magic squares with the starting number 5. That is the homework you all should do. You should do by yourself. Where 1 is there, don't put 5. Where 2 is there, don't put 6 like that. Okay, but you should do it. How I did, no? Like that, you have to do it. Clear, everybody? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I want everyone to do it.
Yes. I'm done.
Very good. So you understood, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Vedika, Pragati, did you both understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Good job. Arush and me, did you understood? Arush,
Yes, ma'am.
did you understand how to develop a magic square?
No, ma'am.
You did not understand how to develop this magic square? Huh?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Means 3 by 3 also you did not understand?
3 by 3. I little understand.
That time why you did not say I repeated 4 times. Vedika asked 2 times or 3 times I repeated that time. Right?
Ma'am, me 2 times.
Yeah. So 5 by 5 again I'll tell and I'll end the class. Okay.
Okay.
Right? Everybody should try to understand it. Right? See, first number will come in the last column, center square. Okay, here first number 1. Okay. How I wrote the first number, you understood, Arush?
Yes.
Yeah. Next, go to southeast. Southeast, I cannot put a number. So when we fold it, this side box will come. So here, I should put the next number 2 here. Right? Huh?
Yes.
And again go to southeast. Southeast means this side, 3. Huh?
Hmm.
Again go to southeast. Here I cannot put the number. So slide up. So 4 here.
Okay.
Again southeast, 5. Again southeast, but it is full. So I should put the number to the west, left side of this 5. So 6. Yeah?
Yes.
Then again southeast, 7. Again southeast, 8. Again southeast, but I cannot put the number here. So where should I go? Here I cannot put my number, means go to the left, 9 here. Right? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, again southeast. Here I cannot put the number. So where should I go, Arush?
Ma'am, what?
See, 9 southeast is here. I cannot put the number because my magic square is not present here. So I should go here, 10, right?
Yes.
Now already here it is full. So I should go to west, left side. Huh? 11. Next 12, southeast. 13, southeast. 14, southeast. 15, southeast. Here last square it is. I cannot put any numbers. So go to west, 16. Huh?
Okay.
Again southeast. I cannot put a number here. So go here, 17.
Hmm.
Again southeast. I cannot put a number here. So go to left, 18.
Okay.
Again southeast, 19.
Yes.
Southeast, 20. Okay, already here number is there. So I should go to left side of 20. That is west side of 20. 21.
Yes, ma'am.
Again southeast, 22.
21.
Yes.
Again southeast. But here I cannot put. So go up, 23.
23.
Again southeast. Again southeast. Here I cannot go. I cannot put 25. Where should I go? Huh?
Ma'am, here.
Left side, right?
Yes.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand? Now
Yeah.
real you tell. That time
Yes.
also 3 by 3 also you said understood. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So if everyone have understood and learned something, give me a thumbs up and I'll take a pic and we will leave. But this you have to develop. Starting number is 5. Today's homework, you have to do it. Okay? Right? Okay. Starting number is 5. 1 minute. Did you all learn something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you have to give me a thumbs up for my pic. Yeah. Thank you. So today's homework is 5 by 5 magic square. The starting number is 5. Arush, Meet, Vedika, Pragati. Everyone has to complete it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Even Rajat, who is listening to the recording, he also should complete it. Okay.
Ma'am, and I shall I leave, ma'am?
Yeah. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.